Hey everyone, welcome to Cricut Time. If you like this video, subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut. For today's tutorial, I'll show you how to make these fun gift tags. I found the design for today's project right in the Images section of Design Space. I'll include the image number in the description below so you can find it easily. For this project, you'll just need some red cardstock and some black and white vinyl. I'll start by cutting out the cardstock and the vinyl to size. I'll stick all of these down to a green mat. I like to save time by putting all the colors of vinyl down on the same mat, and use a brayer to make sure it's stuck down smoothly. Now I'll pop it into my maker. You can use a Cricut or Silhouette for this step. To remove the cardstock off the mat, just flip the mat over and peel the mat away from the cardstock, keeping the cardstock flat to the table. The design I'm doing today is rather intricate with lots of little pieces. For this, I need to use reverse weeding. Take a piece of transfer tape and stick it onto the vinyl. Use your scraper tool to stick it down to the vinyl really well. Now pull the vinyl off the mat. Flip it over and stick it back on the mat, but upside down. Use the scraper tool to stick it down, remove the backing paper, and carefully weed away the background. If your design has a lot of thin elements, go slow and carefully. I'll repeat the same steps for the white layer of the vinyl as well. There are two ornaments here, so I'll grab my scissors and cut them apart. I want to line these designs up perfectly centered, so I will need to use the parchment paper method. If you haven't done this before, it's pretty simple. Take a piece of parchment paper and stick your vinyl onto it. Leave a tiny little section sticking out the top. Because it's see-through, you can move your design around until it's right where you want it to be. Then, stick the top of the vinyl down firmly onto the cardstock. And now you can just peel off the parchment paper and push the rest of the design down. I'll use my scraper tool to make sure the vinyl is stuck down really well, and then I can pull off the transfer tape. Now I can repeat the same process for the second gift tag. Put the vinyl onto the parchment paper, line it up into position, stick the top down, pull the parchment paper out, and let the rest of the vinyl fall back into position. One of these gift tags has a white layer of vinyl, so I'll repeat these steps one more time for that layer. These gift tags are done, and they turned out great. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut.